Cooking the perfect hamburger on the grill depends on choosing the right meat, seasoning, and precise temperature control for your desired doneness. Whether you prefer rare, medium, or well done, this guide will walk you through the steps, including internal temperature requirements and tips for achieving great results. For the best juiciness, choose 80/20 ground beef, meaning 80% lean and 20% fat, with each patty weighing 6 to 8 ounces. Essential seasonings include kosher salt and black pepper, with optional garlic or onion powder for an extra flavor kick. Select brioche, potato, or sesame seed buns, and remember to lightly toast them for the best texture. Gather your toppings like fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, sliced onions, cheese, and pickles to customize your burger. You'll need a grill, either gas or charcoal, a reliable meat thermometer, a sturdy spatula, tongs, and a clean plate for cooked burgers. Start by choosing fresh, high-quality 80/20 ground beef for optimal flavor and juiciness. Divide the meat into 6 to 8 ounce portions and form patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, slightly wider than your bun. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty to prevent it from puffing up during cooking. Handle the meat gently to avoid overworking it, which can result in tough burgers. Generously sprinkle both sides of the patties with kosher salt and black pepper just before grilling to retain moisture. Optionally, add a pinch of garlic or onion powder for an enhanced flavor profile. Preheat your grill to medium-high, between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit for direct heat. For charcoal grills, wait until the coals are covered with white ash before placing your patties. Always clean and oil the grates to prevent sticking and ensure perfect grill marks. Grill times and internal temperatures vary by patty thickness and desired doneness, so use a meat thermometer for accuracy. For a rare burger with a cool, red center, aim for an internal temperature of 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill rare burgers for approximately 3 to 4 minutes total, about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. Place patties on the hot grill, sear for 1.5 to 2 minutes, then flip and cook for another 1.5 to 2 minutes. Check the internal temperature and remove immediately to maintain that cool, red center. For a medium burger with a warm, pink center, target an internal temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. These typically grill for 5 to 6 minutes total, or 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. Sear for 2.5 to 3 minutes until a crust forms, then flip and cook for another 2.5 to 3 minutes. Check the internal temperature, and if adding cheese, place it on during the last minute of cooking to melt perfectly. For a well-done burger, fully cooked with no pink, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Well-done burgers require about 8 to 10 minutes total grilling time, or 4 to 5 minutes per side. Sear for 4 to 5 minutes, then flip and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Check the internal temperature, ensuring it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit or more. For well done, you can move the burger to a cooler part of the grill after searing to finish cooking without burning. Never press the patties with a spatula, as this squeezes out valuable juices, making your burgers dry. Allow your burgers to rest for 3 to 5 minutes off the grill. This redistributes the juices for a more succulent bite. Lightly butter and grill your buns for 30 to 60 seconds to achieve a perfectly crispy texture. Always ensure your grill grates are clean to prevent sticking and create those appealing grill marks. Sear over direct heat for a flavorful crust, and for well done, move to indirect heat if needed to avoid charring. The USDA recommends 160 degrees Fahrenheit for ground beef safety, but rare and medium are common preferences. Always use fresh beef and a reliable thermometer for safe and delicious results. Finally, place your perfectly grilled patty on a toasted bun. Add your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mustard, or mayo. Serve immediately with classic sides such as fries, coleslaw, or a fresh salad for a complete meal. Enjoy your perfectly grilled hamburger.